everyone. Now that we're back from Disney Springs, I would like to share a few of our spooky items that we picked up while we were there. As you can see, Disney has us covered for the spooky holiday. They have us from ears to bags to even spirit jerseys. So let's dive in and give it a closer look.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the greatest show on earth.
There's 3 in this series. They released a park snacks, a Christmas snacks, and now the Halloween snacks in the series of snack bags. They also brought in some really cute Crocs with it. And then who wouldn't want to pair it with the candy ears? This is the second in the series, I believe. They have an original and now they've released the Halloween. It says sweet and spooky on the side, so that's really cute to pair it up with. And then of course, you know, we have some of our shopper bags, reusable, great for the holiday as well. So, and then over here to the left, I have a few of the Hocus Pocus items that they have. We've got the purple spirit jersey, has Hocus Pocus and the gold on the back across the shoulders. Has the Binks cat on the front with Hocus Pocus underneath it as well. So that's a really cute item. We also have a purse here. It's also Loungefly. It just features the sisters on the front. And then I picked up a really cute cup as well. It has the sisters on the front, and then on the back it has Binks the cat, and the handle is actually his tail, so I thought that was really cute. We also have Nightmare Before Christmas. Who could have Halloween without Nightmare Before Christmas? We have a really cute Loungefly bag that just features a lot of the characters in Nightmare Before Christmas, and then they also released the ears to match. On the ears, they do have their Loungefly tag as well. So Disney collaborated with Loungefly to release some items like that. So I think there's 4 ears with Loungefly. Then we also have just a regular Disney ears with Nightmare Before Christmas. So also we have here several pair of ears that they've released for Halloween. They actually brought these back, so they're in Disney Springs again. The Haunted Mansion ears, these are not the current release. They released these first, and then they brought in ones that have like the Haunted Mansion sign in between the bow. So that's the newest release. I don't have those. I thought I would just feature these. Then we get to Haunted Mansion, which is like some of my favorite items. We have the card holder, which has the Haunted Mansion sign and the hitchhiking ghost as a hologram. We also have a bag that Disney released that features the hitchhiking ghost, and in the dark it actually glows, so you can see them. It's actually a cool little feature. It is a side carry purse. We have this cute little bag here that's a Loungefly as well. It has some of the little patches on it. Then we have the Ghost Host Here hat that's really cute paired with, let me get the spirit jersey for y'all. I think they did a really cool print with this. Haunted Mansion on the front, Disney World on the back. And the print actually glows in the dark as well. They did do a release on a Haunted Mansion magic band that I think is really kind of cool. So we'll get that up close for y'all as well. And then let's cover this. This was a release for annual pass holders, and I couldn't pass it up. It is so cute, and they actually did a really good job on it. He glows in the dark as well. A lot of people want this. They did release a few on the website that everybody likes to shop on, but I think that they're gone right now. So I don't know if they'll have any more, but give that a look over. We also have some really cute Halloween pins. I think I have everyone that was in the series this Halloween. The characters are Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Goofy. They released a Chip and Dale as well. Of course, they carried on with the snacks with the castle. So those are some really cute items as well. We also have some great Haunted Mansion Crocs. The Haunted Mansion on the side actually glows as well. So they did a really great job with items that we're going to be wearing at nighttime glowing. So I thought that those were kind of cool, a little feature there. So just to cover some of the prices of things, because I know some people are probably wondering, the bags range anywhere between $75 and $90, any item here. The Crocs are $50 to $60. The ears are all $30, except for the Loungefly is $34.99. So it was a lot of fun getting this together. I enjoyed this holiday. So I hope that by bringing some of these items and sharing them that we brought some spooky holiday spirit to you. I can't wait to bring the next collection to y'all and share it. I would like to give a shout out to a few people from overseas. Some of the things that I'm wearing, I do have ears from Japan, and then the spirit jersey is actually from Paris, in case anybody was wondering. So thank you a lot for those people who have shipped those over to me. And then also thank you for watching. So don't forget, if never lost,